Today, we're diving into the world of backtesting, a skill we believe is crucial for any aspiring trader. But before you jump in and start testing random strategies, there's a key question you need to ask yourself. What's your edge? The market's a competitive battlefield. Without a statistical edge, you're essentially playing a zero-sum game. So how do you find that edge? Finding an edge won't be easy. Successful traders keep their strategies close to the vest. However, there are ways to develop your own. Let's look at some methods to find ideas to backtest. Experience is king. As you gain experience through real-world trading and backtesting, you'll develop an intuition for the market and identify patterns ripe for exploration. Feel the market. Paper trading is valuable, but nothing beats the emotional experience of real money. The thrill of wins and sting of losses sharpen your focus and refine your strategy. Walk it out. Take a break from the screen and go for a walk. Physical activity sparks creativity. Use this time to brainstorm potential strategies. Remember, even seemingly silly ideas can lead to breakthroughs. Document everything. Keep a record of all your backtested strategies, no matter the outcome. As your skills evolve, you might revisit these and discover hidden gems. Become a knowledge seeker. Explore trading websites and books. Paid resources can offer valuable insights, but remember, they shouldn't replace your own critical thinking. Test, test, test. Backtesting is an ongoing process. The more you backtest, the more you learn about the market and refine your edge. Connect with other traders. Two minds are better than one. Seek out successful traders and learn from their experiences. Discussion forums are also a great way to bounce ideas off others. Remember, developing a trading edge takes time and dedication. But by following these steps and putting in the hard work, you'll be well on your way to becoming a consistently profitable trader. If you'd like to know more about backtesting, please check out the link to our backtesting course under the article. And don't forget to like and subscribe so we can provide more videos like this.